One of the questions that you're probably wondering when you call up an acupuncture clinic is, number one, can you help me, right? Most every clinic is going to say yes, right? But then the next question is going to be, how long is it going to take for you, the clinic, to let me know, or for me to know as a patient, for me, how long is it going to take me to feel like this is going to work? And how long will it take you to know that it's going to work for you, right? So the way we were trained in school, we were trained that it would take about 10 to 12 treatments, right? And that will be over a 1 month or 2 month period. So very common, you'll see in acupuncture all across the world, and even here in Austin, Texas, you will hear clinics say, oh, it depends, and let's do 10 treatments, 12 treatments, and some people even say, let's do 3 months of treatments before we will know if it's going to work for you.